In this video, I'll be showing you how to add purchase. It's very simple as ABC. So how to add purchase, you go to, once you log in, you go to purchase, you click add purchase. So once you go to add purchase, there are some important fields. As you can see, we have star here. So here, let's say I have a supplier, you must create a supplier. So if then I create my supplier's name as hotel is, then the supplier's phone number is very key. So the supplier's phone number is there. Then I save. Hotel is the supplier's number. Then you have to pick the status of the supply. So the item have been received. So the location, where is my item? Where am I buying into the item into? So most time it's always advisable to buy into store. But for purpose of this video, I'm going to buy into directly into bar. So from store, I can now make a requisition. So I have Coke. So the purchase quantity in pieces. So I purchased 200. Then in case where the unit cost of what you are buying now changes, this is where you now effect the current cost price. So you put the current cost price. Then, as you can see, the total amount I'm supposed to pay is here. Then I go to I have to copy this. That's 89,200. So in my 89,200, I put it here. This is payment account because when you buy, you are expected to have paid. So how did I pay the supplier? I paid him through bank transfer. So I paid him from OPay, or I can select money point. So this is the account I paid him from. So you can see that this amount here is zero. For example, if I didn't pay the supplier, look at it. If I did not pay the supplier, can you see amount due? So this goes into your account payable. That's more or less like a liability. So I have 89,200. So automatically it nails off to zero. So as you can see, my my Coke have been added. Then if I want to check, I can as well go to list product. On the list of my product, I can do Coke and check product stock history. So on my product stock history, I'm choosing bar. So in bar, you can see that I just purchased 200. So the current stock is 319. So thank you very much. That is how to add purchase.